Okay, here's a quick video to see if your version of Excel has the IFS function. So you want to have it in this cell right here, so make sure you click on H1. Then to look for the function, let me see, click on Formulas, click on Insert Function, and it might not be listed in your most recently used, so click here, All, scroll down, look for IFS right here, and if it's here you can use it. If it's not here, then you don't have the correct version of Excel. So you can click OK, and I'll show you just a quick answer to this. It's not the full answer, but the logical test will be if cell B2 equals 2, or B1 equals 2, excuse me, if B1 equals 2, then the answer will be D2, liability. Click OK, and there it is. Now your actual formula here is going to be a lot longer than this, because you have to account for all these here, not just D2, but you have to go D1 and D3 and D4 and use the dollar signs like I showed in the other video. So look and see if you have the IFS function, and hopefully you do.